Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to change alarm ring duration on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is click the digital clock on your home screen. And okay guys, after that, click the two dot on the upper right side on your screen. And click settings. And okay guys, here in settings, in alarm portion, you can see the ring duration. And okay guys, the ring duration is set into 5 minutes. And okay guys, to change the ring duration of your alarm, okay, you'll have to do is click the ring duration. And the pop-up are show. And okay guys, now here you can change into 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. And okay guys, I decide to change into 30 minutes the ring duration of my alarm clock. And okay guys, you'll have to do is select the 30 minutes. And okay guys, the 30 minutes is set into ring duration of your alarm clock. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the alarm ring duration on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.